In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your entire week in Trello using a brain dump, daily lists, planner view, and calendar view. Whether you're opening Trello for the first time or refreshing your workflow, we'll build a simple system that's fast to set up and easy to maintain. Start by creating a new board. On this board, add a list called Inbox or Brain Dump. This is your catch-all space for everything that's on your mind, so nothing gets lost. Right next to it, create 7 more lists, one for each day of the week, Monday through Sunday. Lining up your days like this turns your board into a visual weekly planner, making it obvious what's coming up and where you still have room. Now, add your work. Drop in every unassigned task, your upcoming meetings, and any recurring items as individual cards into the brain dump list. Keep card titles short and clear so you can scan them quickly, and add a quick note or link in the description if future you will need context. The goal is to empty your head into the board so planning becomes an exercise in arranging, not remembering. At the start of the week, plan your schedule by dragging cards from Brain Dump into the specific day lists when you intend to complete them. Be realistic about capacity. Spread out big tasks, cluster small ones, and leave breathing room for the unexpected. As priorities shift, just drag cards between days. The beauty of this layout is how flexible it is. Your plan can evolve without any friction. When you want to map tasks to time on your calendar, click the Planner option in the navigation bar. This opens a split-screen view, your board on one side and a calendar on the other. Drag cards straight onto the calendar and adjust their time blocks to fit your day. This helps you see exactly how long work will take and reveals conflicts before they happen. If you prefer a traditional overview, open the Views drop-down and enable the Calendar view. You'll see your dated cards arranged in a weekly grid, or switch to a monthly layout, if that's how you like to scan your schedule. That's the whole system. Capture and Brain Dump, assign to day lists, then fine-tune with Planner and Calendar. If you found value in today's video, hitting like is a small gesture that helps others discover this content. And we'd love your feedback. Drop a note in the comments with what worked for you or how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your input shapes what we build next.